Hi again, everyone. You guys just watched Max sing a little song to help him remember all of the hand washing steps. Well, here's another story about using self talk. Look at this picture. This is Danny, and he's sitting at the carpet while all the other boys and girls are at the tables. He's trying to remember what he has to do. His teacher said to go start the art project, but there was something he had to do first, and Danny forgot to focus his attention. Who could Danny ask to find out what he needs to do? Yep, he could go ask a friend or he could go ask the teacher. Well, Danny decides to go ask his teacher what he has to do. So he goes up to her in a very respectful voice and says, "Can you please tell me what I need to do before I start the art project? I forgot." His teacher says, "I'll tell you the directions again. Turn on your attention scope so you can really focus." Danny turns on his attention scope and he looks directly at his teacher and listens carefully. The teacher says first, put on a painting shirt, then go start the art project. Next, the teacher says, "Danny, repeat or say what I said to help you remember." Danny says the directions over and over to himself, and he walks to where the painting shirts are kept. What was Danny saying to himself over and over again as he walked to get his painting shirt? Yep, that's right. He said, "Put on a painting shirt, then go start the art project. Put on a painting shirt, then go start the art project. Put on my painting shirt, and then go start the art project." He used self-talk over and over again to help him remember all of the directions. Focusing attention and using self-talk helps you remember directions and what you need to do.